y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai, and today we are doing a watermelon scented shower routine. And like every other shower routine, we are starting off with washing my face, and I'm using the CeraVe cream to foam cleanser, which I love using. Very cleansing, non-stripping, very moisturizing, and it is bomb. Next, I'm going in with this Dow antibacterial soap in the scent Spring Water. Now, this is a very refreshing scent, and the soap is antibacterial. I absolutely love using Dow antibacterial soaps as my first clean, just to cleanse my body, get all the bad bacteria and all that other stuff off my skin. So, of course, I'm going to clean behind my ears, wash my neck, my back, my entire body. If you are new here and if you have made it this far into the video, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers and would love for you to be a part of the family. And also, while you're down there, also smash that like button. So after cleansing my body, I'm going in with this raw sugar body wash in the scent Watermelon and Fresh Mint. Now this scent was very refreshing. It was very beautiful. I really enjoyed using it. The body wash was moisturizing as well, and it just had my shower smelling oh so good. After rinsing that off, I'm going in with this Tree Hut sugar scrub in the scent Watermelon. And y'all, this freaking sugar scrub is so freaking beautiful. Like, look at the texture. It's so freaking pretty. It looks like it's glistening, and it also has like little black like seeds in it or whatever, to like, look like a watermelon or whatever. But y'all know I love Tree Hut sugar scrubs. I just love how exfoliating and abrasive they are, and it just leaves my skin feeling oh so smooth. And the smell of this sugar scrub smells just like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Like, it was so freaking delicious. Like, oh my gosh. So after exfoliating, I'm going in with another body wash, and this body wash is from Olay, and this is in the scent Watermelon and Agave. This, when you first smell it out the bottle, it smells just like watermelon Jolly Ranchers, but when I was in the shower, it did smell a little different. Like, I wasn't getting that watermelon Jolly Ranchers scent anymore. It was more of like a sweet, like sugary smell. Maybe it was the agave, I don't know. It's like very hard to explain, but it did smell good. And yeah, I really do like Olay body washes because they are moisturizing. And of course, after washing my body, it's time to take care of my downstairs area, and I'm using the Honey Pot Feminine Wash and the normal scent. So I'm just taking care of my downstairs area and also my back end. So I am done with my shower routine, and I'm just using my towel to pat my skin dry, but I'm not drying off completely. My skin is a little damp. So for my first moisturizer, I'm using this Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Oil Mist with oat oil and jojoba oil. Y'all, this oil is very moisturizing moisturizing, and of course we don't want to be ashy, so I am going in with the oil first. And y'all, I got tired of spraying that little nozzle, so I just took it off and poured it in my hands and just applied it all over my body. So I am done with the shower and I'm about to put some deodorant on. I'm using the Degree 0% alcohol and aluminum in the scent Awakening Waves. This scent is very fresh and I've really been enjoying this deodorant. I know y'all ain't think I was only gonna use oil to just apply on my skin for moisture. But anyways, I'm using this Bodycology body cream in the scent Watermelon Splash to apply on the skin. So this is my first time using this body cream, and y'all, a little bit of this goes a long way. Y'all gonna see. Like, look how much I put on my freaking arm. I was like so freaking shocked at this point. But yes, the smell of this body cream, it does have like a watermelon scent, but it's more fruity than watermelon. But it did smell good, so yes. And of course, I am using the matching body mist from Bodycology in the scent Watermelon Splash as well. And just like the body cream, it does, like just like the body cream, the scent of this is the same. It does give off a watermelon smell, but it's more fruity than watermelon. But yeah, guys, I am all done with my watermelon scented shower routine. I'm just gonna apply some more body mist on my clothes, and that is all that I have for you all today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.